Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The walk that we have started from Najaf to Karbala is a walk towards heaven. It's a walk that is full of love, full of spirituality. It's full of compassion and hospitality. If you want to take a lesson, to experience what humanity stands for, you should once take a walk to Najaf to Karbala, the walk towards heaven. It's 100 kilometer, and you'll learn 100 new things that would you can never experience in your life again. Uh, Inshallah, we'll reach Karbala in next 2 hours, and I pray to Almighty that everyone who wishes to ziyarat of Abu Abdullah al-Hussein reaches Karbala in like once in a lifetime at least. Khuda Hafiz, Labbaik Ya Hussein.